This will destroy other motorhomes. Mercedes and HYMER just built a motorhome that could outshine every RV on the planet. A machine so advanced, it redefines luxury, power, and off-grid living. But here's the shocking part. This isn't just another overpriced camper. It's a game changer. Stick around till the end, because we're revealing some insane features you won't believe exist in a motorhome. The 2026 Mercedes HYMER Venture S 4x4 is a head-turner, blending rugged off-road capability with sleek modern design. Built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, it features a reinforced body, high ground clearance, and all-terrain tires. The aerodynamic silhouette reduces drag, while the bold HYMER branding and LED lighting give it a futuristic look. The pop-up roof expands living space, and the integrated awning ensures shade wherever you park. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium, modular interior designed for comfort and functionality. The Venture S boasts a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge, and smart storage solutions. The lounge area converts into a spacious bed, and the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and vanity. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and large windows create a luxurious yet homely vibe. Under the hood, this beast packs a turbocharged 3.0-liter diesel engine, producing around 240 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4x4, it tackles rough terrain effortlessly. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising on the highway. Top speed is electronically limited to 100 miles per hour, but the real magic lies in its off-road prowess. The HYMER Venture S is built for off-grid adventures, featuring a massive lithium-ion battery bank and solar panels on the roof. It supports fast charging via shore power or regenerative braking, and the energy management system optimizes usage. You can run appliances, heating, and even air conditioning without needing a hookup for days. Mercedes' latest tech suite is on board, including a digital cockpit, touchscreen infotainment with navigation, and smartphone integration. Advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make driving this massive rig a breeze. There's even an optional night vision system for off-road adventures in low light. Expect the 2026 Mercedes HYMER Venture S 4x4 motorhome to start around $250,000, with fully loaded versions crossing $300,000. Pre-orders are expected to open late 2025, with deliveries starting in early 2026. Now here's what nobody's talking about. This motorhome has a secret wilderness mode. When activated, it maximizes energy efficiency, locks suspension for extreme terrain, and even deploys drone scouting for campsite selection. Yes, you heard that right, a built-in drone. If that doesn't convince you this is the future of RVs, nothing will. So, would you take the HYMER Venture S on a worldwide adventure? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping vehicle breakdowns. See you in the next one.
Welcome to the ultimate deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes hybrid model motorhome. This revolutionary vehicle combines luxury, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology to redefine the motorhome experience. Whether you're a full-time RVer or an occasional road tripper, this model promises to deliver unmatched performance and comfort. Let's break down everything you need to know. The 2026 Mercedes hybrid motorhome boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that merges modern aesthetics with functional brilliance. The exterior features a bold front grille with the iconic Mercedes emblem, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that adjust brightness based on driving conditions. The body is constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, enhancing fuel efficiency without compromising strength. One standout feature is the solar panel integration on the roof, which supplements the hybrid battery system. The motorhome also includes an extendable awning, automated leveling jacks, and a rear-view camera with 360-degree visibility for safer maneuvering. The spacious exterior storage compartments are designed for easy access, making it ideal for long journeys. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium interior that rivals high-end apartments. The cabin features ergonomic seating with massage and heating functions, a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, and a modular dining area that converts into an extra sleeping space. The bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and vanity, all crafted with high-quality materials. The smart home system allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment via voice commands or a touchscreen panel. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views while maintaining energy efficiency. The sleeping area offers a queen-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes hybrid motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid system. It pairs a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 350 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. The electric-only mode offers up to 60 miles of range, perfect for short trips or silent camping. The hybrid system seamlessly switches between power sources, optimizing efficiency. In hybrid mode, the motorhome achieves an estimated 30 mpg, a remarkable feat for its size. The regenerative braking system recaptures energy to recharge the battery, further enhancing efficiency. The lithium-ion battery pack can be charged via a standard household outlet, a dedicated charging station, or the onboard solar panels. A full charge takes approximately 4 to 6 hours with a level 2 charger, while the solar panels provide a trickle charge during daylight. Mercedes also includes fast charging compatibility, allowing an 80% charge in just 2 hours at supported stations. Despite its size, the 2026 Mercedes hybrid motorhome delivers impressive performance. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds, thanks to the instant torque from the electric motor. The air suspension system ensures a smooth ride, automatically adjusting to road conditions. The precise steering and advanced stability control make it surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this class. Safety is a top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. The MBUX infotainment system includes a 12-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time traffic updates. Over-the-air updates ensure the system stays current with the latest software improvements. The 2026 Mercedes hybrid motorhome is expected to start at around $180,000, with higher trims reaching up to $250,000. Pre-orders will likely open in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. While it's a premium investment, the combination of luxury, sustainability, and advanced technology makes it a compelling choice for discerning buyers. The 2026 Mercedes hybrid model motorhome sets a new standard for eco-friendly and luxurious travel. With its innovative hybrid system, spacious interior, and cutting-edge features, it's poised to become a favorite among RV enthusiasts. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or weekend getaways, this motorhome promises to deliver an unparalleled experience.
Welcome to our in-depth review of the anticipated 2026 Kia 4x4 camper van, a vehicle poised to redefine electric adventure travel. Building upon Kia's innovative PV5 platform, this camper van merges cutting-edge electric mobility with the comforts of home, offering a compelling option for modern explorers. The 2026 Kia camper van showcases a sleek, aerodynamic exterior, reflecting Kia's contemporary design language. Its dimensions, approximately 22 to 25 feet in length and 8 feet in width, provide a spacious interior without compromising maneuverability. The high roof variant extends to about 10 feet, offering ample headroom and storage space. Optional features like a pop-up roof with integrated solar panels enhance both aesthetics and functionality, catering to off-grid enthusiasts. Inside, the camper van is designed for versatility and comfort. Modular seating arrangements can be transformed into sleeping areas, accommodating up to 6 occupants. The fully equipped kitchenette includes an induction stove and ample storage, while the bathroom facilities ensure convenience during extended travels. A large touchscreen infotainment system integrates navigation, entertainment, and smart home functions, creating a connected living space on the move. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia camper van is expected to feature a dual electric hybrid powertrain, delivering approximately 450 horsepower. This setup provides an estimated electric-only range of up to 300 kilometers, with the hybrid mode extending the range to around 900 kilometers. The all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction across various terrains, making it suitable for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Charging efficiency is a highlight, with the vehicle capable of fast charging from 10 to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. This rapid charging capability minimizes downtime, allowing travelers to cover more ground with fewer stops. The integration of solar panels further supports energy efficiency, providing supplemental power for onboard systems and reducing reliance on external charging sources. Safety is paramount in the 2026 Kia camper van, which is anticipated to include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Connectivity features like smartphone integration, Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, and smart home compatibility enhance the driving experience, ensuring both safety and convenience. The starting price for the 2026 Kia camper van is projected to be around $50,000 in the United States, with variations based on configurations and optional features. In Pakistan, the estimated price is approximately 13,842,500 Pakistani rupees, subject to exchange rates and local taxes. The official release is expected in late 2025, with availability in key markets shortly thereafter. The 2026 Kia 4x4 camper van represents a significant step forward in electric recreational vehicles, combining performance, comfort, and sustainability. Its thoughtful design and advanced features make it a strong contender for those seeking adventure, without sacrificing modern conveniences. As Kia continues to innovate, this camper van stands as a testament to the future of travel.